Charlie Anderson with the Seasoned Butcher, and today I'm going to show you how to take that leftover venison from this fall and turn it into a nice juicy burger. Now what we're going to do today is actually mix 50% venison with 50% beef. Now also we're going to use the Better Burger Enhancement Mix from the Seasoned Butcher. Now what we're going to do with that mix is it actually goes right inside your meat. This ain't a sprinkle on top shaker bottle that you can get out of the box store. This is a one-of-a-kind enhancement that goes right inside your meat as you mix it, so it's perfectly flavored from top to bottom in every bite.
So for our next step, what we're going to do is we're going to grind our venison. We're going to grind it through a 4.5 millimeter grinder plate. That's our finished grind.
So what I'm going to do now is, now that I got my venison and my beef, my venison is all perfectly ground, I'm going to mix in the Better Burger Patty seasoning from the Seasoned Butcher. Now this is a nice burger additive. This really brings out a good burger enhancement. Now I'm going to mix the beef and the venison together. Now that you have all your burger pre-mixed up, it's ready to be patty. I really enjoy this patty maker because you can make nice, even, consistent burgers with it, and it also makes it real easy for packaging. Now what I do is I take a ball, about the size of a baseball, put it down a piece of wax paper, put your burger on it, put another piece of wax paper on top, and slowly press it down. And there you go. Now you got a custom formed, even patty. So when you put them on the grill, all your burgers are nice and even, so you can get them all done at the same time. You're not sitting there while everybody else is eating because you got 2 or 3 burgers left sitting on the grill. We just made 41 half-pound burgers. Now, the nice thing is they seal up so easy. Now, if you're a family that's in the rush, you can just simply go right to your freezer, pull these right out, and you can thaw them out in a matter of minutes with a little bit of cold water. Set them in, and now they're already pre-seasoned, so you don't have to worry whether did he or did she season them burgers before they put on the grill. Already done. If you're a person that likes camping, these are easy to take with you. Now you don't have to worry about blood in your cooler. You don't have to worry about if they're seasoned, or if you brought the seasonings, they're already done. Simply just cut the top of the bag off, pull your perfectly formed half-pound patties out, and start grilling. Field to table. Taster edition.